Hello children, let us know more substances which are formed by sodium chloride. In this session, we discuss about bleaching powder. We know that chlorine gas is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride, that is brine solution, at cathode. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. Bleaching powder is represented by the formula CaOCl2. Bleaching powder preparation. The action of chlorine gas on dry slaked lime produces bleaching powder plus water. Now let us discuss the uses of bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry, bleaching wood pulp in paper industry, and for bleaching washing cloths in laundry. It is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. It is used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. It is used as a reagent in the preparation of chloroform, that is CHCl3. Chloroform formula CHCl3. Now let us know about baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. It is a mild non-corrosive base. It is used for faster cooking. Now the preparation of baking soda. The chemical equation in the preparation of sodium hydrogen carbonate is sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia gives rise to ammonia chloride plus sodium hydrogen carbonate. So it is prepared as follows. The following reaction takes place when it is heated during cooking. So sodium hydrogen carbonate on heating gives sodium carbonate along water and carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas releases when sodium hydrogen carbonate heated. Now let us learn about uses of baking soda. Baking powder mainly contains sodium hydrogen carbonate and its other components calcium hydrogen phosphate and starch. As we know, sodium hydrogen carbonate produces carbon dioxide gas when it is heated during cooking. This carbon dioxide gas rises through bubbling duff into cake or bread. This carbon dioxide gas rises through bubbling duff into cake or bread. This results the cake and bread are smoothie and spongy. It is also an ingredient in antacid. It is also an ingredient in antacids. Being alkaline, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. It is also used as soda acid in fire extinguishers. It is also used as soda acid in fire extinguishers. It acts as mild antiseptic. It acts as mild antiseptic. Now let us know about washing soda, that is sodium carbonate. How we can prepare washing soda? Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. The washing soda formula Na2CO3 10H2O. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. It is also a basic salt. Uses of washing soda. It is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. It is used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water.